Kimberly Olson here, also known as the Gold Digger Girl. We're doing a Claude tutorial series. So if you didn't watch the other ones, make sure you click back in the past few episodes because I do walk you through getting started, being able to start using Claude should you use ChatGPT still. So definitely check that out. Today though, I'm going to show you how to automate creating Canva graphics with Claude. It can actually go into your Canva account and make graphics for you. Yes, it's true. It's literally mind-blowing what it can do, and it's just going to get better and better. So if you didn't watch the other ones, you're going to want to make a project because it needs some intel on colors, fonts, that kind of thing. So if you make a project and then create a new chat in here, you can click on any of these or click new project. It's going to be within this project, if that makes sense. So these are the different projects that I have. So this is the TT quote graphics, which I'm going to show you for the demo. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, if you didn't watch my other videos, click the plus button and go ahead and click connectors and connect your Canva account. So it's going to log into your Canva account. You need to authorize access for it to actually go in and do it. So let's take a look at a demo here so you can see what this looks like. Hello, I would like you to create some graphics for me. I want them to be inspiring. Quotes. Here are some examples attached. So I'm going to attach some examples of what I'm looking for, but you could just describe it. Please go into, this is crazy, go into my Canva account and find the, let me see, it's just called Texas Trailblazers. So inside of your Canva account, wherever you want it to go, you need to tell it. Otherwise, it'll just go into your main Canva area, which is totally fine. I just use folders for things or projects to organize my content. Project folder and put them there. Okay, so I'm actually going to attach, let me just pause it real quick so I can attach. I gave it some reference, and again, you don't have to, but it is helpful to kind of give it a little bit of the vibe that we're going for. So we're just gonna see what it says. So the prompt is really important. Obviously, I'm giving you examples of colors, fonts, things like that. I can see your Texas Trailblazer, okay, graphics, they have great consistency. Okay, before I dive in, one of the things I love about Claude compared to ChatGPT is that Claude will ask you questions or it'll ask you to clarify. Okay, so it's telling me it needs to use the Canva integration. Okay, the quotes. Okay, here we go. It found my folder. So loaded tools. Okay, I found your folder. Now okay, so it's asking the questions. Okay, I want you to choose some new quotes for me to use, please. Anything that is inspiring. How many graphics? Let's do 5 graphics. 5 graphics, please. Prefer them to be 4 by 5, which is a good size for Instagram. Maybe you want story size. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it see if it says anything, and then I'll pause it so that way we can let it do its work. Okay, so let me pause it so that way you're not sitting here watching it load. Wait until you see how good these turned out. I'm so excited to show you. So it was just telling me as it was making them. So here's the first one. Okay, pretty basic. Good, that would work. Then we have the next one. This looks awesome. And then this one. And I would probably upload the logo and say put the logo on there. But look at, I mean, it's faith-based. It's still tying it into, motivational. And then you can just tell it, like, change this, anything that you want to change on it. Okay. So we're going to assume we love all of these. Okay. Now let me save these directly into your Texas Trailblazers account. To do that, it will generate each one as a proper Canva. So yes, proceed. So it will go ahead and add them into your Canva account, which I'm going to show you once it's done with that. The other thing you can do if you sync up your Canva account, so just come over here to, was it customize? I can't remember. I don't want to mess up with this, but you just hit that plus button, connectors, and you can connect your Canva account there. But what you can do is, you don't have to be in here, but you could be in a new feed, a new thread, or you could try it in here too. You can tell it to go into a specific Canva file, you have to tell it the name of it. What I like to do is get the URL for it and put it in here. And you can ask it to do things in your Canva account. So you can ask it to duplicate pages or fix something. So it can also go into existing files that you have and make edits for you, which is obviously really cool. So let's see. Yes, proceed. Okay. And then this right here, it looks like it made some more in here. Okay. Okay, so it's finalizing the design. So let me go ahead and let it do that. And then I'll show you it inside of my Canva account. Now, let me show you what happened. So right here, I said, it came up with a 5, right? We love these. And then it asked me, would you like me to proceed with creating these in Canva, or would you like to tweak any of them? And I said, yes, proceed. So I think it took it as proceeding with those 5 variations. It actually made some different ones for me for each, which isn't a bad thing. I don't like that one, but I do like the look of these. So pretty cool, right? Gives you all of these different ones. And it's not awesome with, like, sometimes things just look weird, like right here, her arm up like that. So the great thing is these are in Canva. So you can just swap out that person. I love this one. I think that looks really cool. So you can look through these, and then it asked me which ones I liked. So I just said all of them, and it just picked one from each category, but I could easily say, you can click on it and then open in Canva right here. Let me see if it'll open it. So as you can see, it opened it up right in Canva, and then I can switch out the logo. I can change anything that I want on here. So as I was working through this, going through these, let me close that. These are the ones it made. Then it said, pick your favorites. And I said, I like them all. And so what it did, it said, I'll create 5 designs. They call them candidates, I guess. I think that was just the ones that were up for debate on what I liked. And then what it did is it says this is what's really cool. It says they're all in Canva now in your Texas Trailblazers folder. And then here's the link. So when you come over to Texas Trailblazers, let me show you this folder that I have. Here are the 5 that it picked. You can see them. So I don't like this one at all. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. But there were other variations of that one, right? So I could easily, I love this one, like I said. So I could easily go in and just say, I want this one. And then I could also open them up individually, like I showed you, and just move it to that folder. So that is what it looks like to create graphics inside of Claude using Canva, which is obviously super cool. And I'm really excited for you to try that. So that's what I would do, start playing around with that. And then if you didn't watch the other ones, like I said, definitely watch them. I actually showed you how to build out your entire Google Calendar automatically, putting all of your money-making activities, your workouts, all the things that you need to do every day, and you're just struggling to find places for it in your calendar or organize your energy flow. That was the last video we did. I showed you all kinds of stuff. So make sure you watch the other ones. And then next, I'm going to teach you how to plan out your social media content and create a planner, build out the content pillars and the actual content. Then we're going to put it on your planner of choice. So we can use Asana, we can use spreadsheets, we can use all kinds of different things to do that. I'm going to show you how, and we're going to be able to access all of it through Claude. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Look below this episode if you would like me to do a business audit on your social media and show you where to monetize, what you're missing, how to get more leads, how to close sales in the DMs. You do have to apply for that, but you can find that link below. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Until next time, get lit in your business and set your soul on fire. We'll see you soon.